Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already know, Suzuki KingQuad 750 XP. In the modern military landscape, not every mission calls for heavy armored vehicles or advanced drones. Sometimes, what's needed is a machine that blends agility, endurance, and versatility, a vehicle able to navigate terrain where larger assets cannot go. The Suzuki KingQuad 750 XP. A powerful all-terrain vehicle designed for civilian and utility use, has quietly found a place in certain military and security roles. At its heart, the KingQuad 750 XP is a robust utility ATV with a 720cc liquid-cooled engine, independent suspension, and selectable four-wheel drive. While these features were designed with farmers, hunters, and outdoor workers in mind, they also align closely with the needs of small unit military operations in rough and unpredictable environments. In field conditions, the KingQuad's strengths lie in its mobility and logistical efficiency. Its relatively low weight and compact size allow it to move rapidly across narrow trails, forested areas, sandy plains, and muddy riverbanks, terrain that can slow down or block larger vehicles. With a towing capacity of over 600 kilograms and front and rear cargo racks, it can transport supplies, ammunition, medical equipment, or communications gear to remote outposts. For reconnaissance missions, the KingQuad offers speed and discretion. Its maneuverability enables units to approach observation points quickly, then reposition without leaving a large footprint. In humanitarian and disaster response contexts, the same qualities make it valuable for delivering relief supplies and evacuating casualties where conventional transport cannot reach. In some armed forces, ATVs like the KingQuad 750 XP are used in special operations or by rapid response border units. Here, they act as force multipliers, not by replacing heavier vehicles, but by extending the range and flexibility of ground teams. The addition of features such as winches, storage boxes, and camouflage covers can adapt the vehicle for specific climates and missions. However, it's important to note the limitations. An ATV offers no armor protection, minimal weather shielding, and limited endurance over long distances compared to trucks or armored cars. In military planning, its role is therefore complementary, a specialized tool for certain tasks rather than a universal solution. In the end, the Suzuki KingQuad 750 XP is a reminder that military capability is not defined solely by dedicated combat platforms. Sometimes, adapting a reliable civilian machine to a military context can deliver precisely the agility, speed, and utility that a mission requires. It is an example of how versatility in design can bridge the gap between everyday utility and specialized operational needs. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.